What is up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to go over this crazy startup that I found on Acquire. So if you don't know what Acquire is, it's basically a marketplace to sell your startup. I was scanning Acquire and then I found this database product that is being sold for $600,000 and their last month's profits were $20,000. So in this video, I'm going to go over this startup, do live research on how they're making this much money and like why they're selling for 600,000. And then I'm going to go over how you can clone it and show you guys what other opportunities there are that you can also create databases from. These are like the 3 main points. So let's get right into it. The first point is, how did I find it? So basically I was on Exploding Insights, and one of the tables that is inside Exploding Insights is acquire.com. Basically these are all the startups that are being listed. So I was just scrolling down and then I saw this database product. It's a data API just for real estate agents. So it's super niche. Let me see if I can find it again here. A scalable data API and search engine for real estate professionals. So last month they did 168K. Last month's profit was 16K. They're currently asking for 600,000 and their total profits is 204,000. And then you can click on more information and then it will give you all of this information. So it started back in 2020. It only took them 4 years to go from like 0 to 600,000, and they have a pretty small team of 2 to 20. And you can see that they have a bunch of really interesting information here as well, which is how you can increase their profits after you buy their product. So some of the ways is hiring a B2B sales team, improving the conversion rates, doing more marketing, and expanding to new markets, and all this. It gives you a lot of data on how they grew and what you can do to scale if you bought them. And then what you can do is you can also go to the Acquire link. So just click on that and it'll pull up the Acquire link. Right now, I don't think we have competitors, but we're going to add that. But basically on the actual Acquire page, you can check out all their competitors. I tried to get access, but I didn't get access yet. But here's like what you can actually do. The people will list all the acquired companies that are in their same niche, but are competitors. So you just like open all these, and this helps you get a sense of what their product does. So just search this on Google. Okay, so let's see this one here. This one I think is in Switzerland. So that's like another small tip, which is if you have a product in the United States, you can just like clone the same product to Europe and just have the same data, same product, and just sell it to people in Europe, which is what I guess these guys are doing, because they're like a company based in Europe. And I think this company is actually based in the States. So here, let's see, this company, it's a database of properties and you can access it via an API. So it's basically like Zillow, except if Zillow allowed you to call their data. Let's see about Price Hubble. They're the leading development of data and explainable AI-driven real estate valuations and insights globally. And let's see this one. Yeah, it like gives you pretty good detail. So it's every property, every detail enable accelerate deals with unique insights that you won't find anywhere else. So essentially what this product does is it has data and it gives you insights, and those insights either help you buy a house or sell a house. Let's break down like what this actually means. So this data is valuable because it can allow the person to make decisions that either make them money or save them money. That's like their entire business model. And if you check the pricing, let me see if they have it listed here. They probably make you sign up. All right, they ask you to do a demo. So it probably costs in the hundreds or thousands of dollars per month if they only have a demo to show the pricing. But yeah, this is essentially the business where you collect data and then you create insights from that data. But this is much more niche and you can charge a lot more, because people that would buy this type of data, they make a lot of money from the insights. So that's why you can charge a lot more. What does that mean? If you wanted to clone it, how would you clone it? So first, you would find niches that could find value in niche data. How do you think of that? If you're lazy, you can go to Claude and just search, I want to clone this product in a different niche. What other niches and data / insights can I get? So this is one way to do it, where you basically just ask AI to give you ideas, and let's see what it gets. So you can see that healthcare, if you store patient data, drug efficacy, hospital performance. You can do for finance. This is a really big one. Education, agriculture, retail, travel, energy, whatever. There's a bunch of niches where you can employ the same tactic of scraping data and then getting insights from that data. And I think getting insights is much easier now with AIs like Claude and ChatGPT. So that's one angle where you can clone it. And the only hard part, I think, is actually finding how you can get insights from the data. Collecting data and selling it shouldn't be hard if you're able to actually get valuable insights. So that's the hard part. And here are all the other niches. And another way that you can do it is you can search for data products that are currently being listed on Acquire. What you would do is basically just search data, and you can find all the data products: medication, locator for travelers, insurers, access to essential drugs, and the biggest medical database. So this is a database product idea where you create a medical database, largest global database of e-com agencies, like database of e-com agencies in Canada, and then you would sell that list to people that would pitch to these agencies. So that's another idea. Let's see. Data as a service that caters to B2B customers. This person's listing their thing for 9 million, which is crazy. Let's see if their listing is on Acquire. I think if it's above a certain amount, like 9 million, you need a special account thing. But if you're cheap, like me, what you can do is basically just go through all these competitors and get a sense of what their business does. So yeah, that's the idea. First, you would find valuable data, and then you would find people that need this data. So people connecting data to people, and what you are providing is the insights that make the money and save the money. So that's summarized of what this company is doing and how you can do it with other niches as well. That's it. See you guys.